Are you healthy? Are you hot? Are you Herbie? Are you Hungarian? Are you hungry? Angela's over here making one of these strange concoctions called, I don't really know what you call it. There's greens and, is there an official word for what you're doing?
It's called a salad.
A salad, is that French? Salad. I mean, it looks yummy. Nice. Jax, how you doing, buddy? Wow. Wow. Okay. So Slab City's not all bad, right? It's not as bad as I say.
Correct.
Sunshine, sand, a few dogs barking here and there, but nothing that can't be ignored for the freedom to stay out here as long as you want. Still unsure how long we'll stay out here, but I got some more to explore. I will just mention I'll pop a card up top if you're watching this on your laptop to some of my Slab City videos from 3 years ago when I was out here. I think I filmed every other day out here for a month, so if you want to get a better idea for what it's like out here, because I'm just giving you the brief stuff on this little week stay here, click on that playlist, or it's also in the video description below. But there are a few things I want to check out. It is really fun having the bike. In case you don't know, I got the idea of the TW from Jason's here. He's got a 2017 here, which I got to ride, and I really liked. That's what sparked my love affair with the T-dubs. And there's mine, a little more blue. But yeah, go ahead and take it out, show you a little more of Slab City. We've also got, it's Saturday night tonight here, so we got the range going on with live music and stuff. So, and in the morning, we'll just reevaluate and see if we want to move on yet. Actually, even though the population of Slab City has gone down over the years, they are still doing some expanding here at Slab City. Check it out. A pool. They just need water. But it's pretty much ready to go here, guys. Yeah, a pool right here. Okay, not impressed with the new pool idea. There's a skate park. Again, it's funny how things can change so much in just a few years. A lot of people who used to do really big things here at Slab City have just moved on. And, you know, of course, left their trash behind. Why not? There it is, the skate park. You can see a couple ramps off to the side there. You can't see the sloping difference of this. Maybe I'll have to get down there and show you that. Yeah, let's go down there actually. Now here we are down here. Lots of artwork. I'm sorry if there's cuss words seen in the background, guys. No way of avoiding it. I could probably jump that in the TW. Yeah, why not? Sure I could. Barbecue. In case you can't tell, this was a pool. So, for whatever reason, the government decided that they did need a huge industrial pool. Not sure what it was used for. Maybe just recreation and fun. But the slabbers turned it into a makeshift skate park. Why not? I mean, it has the right shape. I will stop comparing Slab City to what I remember as Slab City, because it feels really abandoned. So this is the Oasis Club. There's the address, 1003 Low Road. Depending on how busy they are in here, we'll go check it out, but basically it's a paid internet cafe. You pay a certain amount of dollars a month, and you get to use their Wi-Fi depending on solar. So it's not open when it's not sunny here. But you can imagine it's usually sunny out here in the desert. Coffee, campfires, meals, mail, happy hour, library, and movies. Nice little garden outside. Little calendar. Slab radio 107.9. I might check that out. Eggs, hash browns, and sausage on the menu. And some guys playing poker over here at the table. Looks like fun. Again, this time of year, beautiful out here. I don't know what they do in the heat. And one of the better art installations of Slab City here is East Jesus. We're gonna look at some of their quirkiness, okay? This is my kind of place, guys. Definitely quirky and unique. Here's your official welcome entrance to East Jesus. Free to the public. Lots of art. It looks like these two Volkswagens are busy. Let's get it on. Go sliding down this nice playground slide. Yeah. Oh. Ooh, how about no? The slide of death. It's got that creepy post-apocalyptic feel, huh? Let me just be clear though, guys. This is a playground you do not take your kids to. Right? Just, yeah. Not this one. Okay. But the perks are really endless. I mean, come on. They've got a bowling alley in the middle of the desert, guys.
Yeah, and the bowling bag.
The lizard iguana. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, I've seen lots of bottle creations along my travels in the country. This is the first one I ever saw here in Slab City. Concrete and bottles. Surprised you don't see more of this, people using it to build their houses out here. Oh, look at this Westphalia. Every bit of detail. Yes, that is awesome. First Church of the Chocolate Martini. Jeez. Pretty neat old resting spot for this bad boy. Look on the ceiling. Computer chips and... Man. I'm actually really happy that the wall of TVs has grown tremendously over the years. Look at this. Oh man. Real men feel nothing. Blah. Gosh. This car says, please touch. It's art, guys. Uh-huh. Heads on the bottom, legs on top, why not? I would not sit on this royal throne. Strange. This one's creepy enough to not even have an explanation. It's like almost Han Solo and Carbonite. All silver and everything, but if you go closely, I mean, again, the detail up close. There's so much more when you look up close. Awesome. And inside, okay, they encourage you to touch everything. That's one of their 3 rules. Must touch all the art here. No problem. Okay. That looks like something straight out of Mad Max. Oh, can I climb that? Oh wow, somebody lives up here in this tree fort. Look at their room. Wow. We'll just keep climbing. Weight limit 150. I hope that's a joke. Hilarious, guys. Woo! I don't know about these couches right on the edge. Hopefully you don't lean back too far and fall over. No, I'm pleasantly happy with this. Check it out, guys, if you're ever here.
Working class, there always something to be.